You've been sending in your questions about the virus and the measures that, excuse me, the Prime Minister and Education Secretary have announced regarding closures of schools. So with us to answer your questions, our education correspondent Charlotte Rose, and also joining us John Dickens, who is editor of Schools Week magazine. And we're hoping in a moment to speak to June O'Sullivan, who is CEO of the London Early Years Foundation, who run 39 nurseries and preschools across London. And I'm just going to say now that I've just got a catch in my throat that is not a persistent cough, and I don't have a fever. This studio is sometimes dusty.